What are you doing?
You don't want it to stick. Oh.
It's Vlogmas Day 5. Today we are cooking. I make bacon wrap dates and my husband made turkey burgers on the grill. All right, today we are making bacon wrap dates.
Yeah.
Do you want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, bring your stool over on this side. Okay, so let's see what we need. We've got our pitted dates, feta cheese, and bacon. Here's all my ingredients.
Where's your oven?
I have nonstick foil, my sad old cookie sheet, dates, feta,
Cookies.
bacon. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, first things first, I'm going to put some foil on my pan and great. Next, I've got to stuff my dates with the cheese. We're going to do a little bit of grilling and have some, what are we having? Turkey burgers
Yes.
and steak. So that'll be fun. All right, so these dates, the pitted dates already have a pre-cut little hole, and I just put one piece of feta in it. I don't really try to overstuff it. It's really just a piece kind of to taste it. And you have to come bring your stool on this side so you can be my sous chef. Can you say sous chef? Sous chef. And you really don't need to watch the iPad while we're cooking because you have to have your hands free.
Huh? What is
That's a date.
dates?
Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm gonna stuff these up. This is what the ready to cook product looks like. Now I'm going to, I should have done this before, turn on the oven and pop these in. Okay, we got the turkey burgers on. Let's take a look at what they look like. That's looking good. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. The turkey burgers turned out amazing. I ended up putting cheese, tomato, avocado, and a little bit of garlic sauce on mine, and it is so good. Let's take a look. It's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna give these a turn because the bacon doesn't look quite done. So I'll give them a turn and maybe do 5 more minutes. Okay, let's try these again. So they are supposed to be a little caramelized because you've got obviously the bacon and the sugar of the date. So I'm gonna move these on a plate and we'll take a look. And here we are. These are the bacon wrap dates, and with the feta inside, these are gonna be so good. So let them cool a little bit because they are so hot. But these are a really great appetizer for your at-home dinner for two.